Thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu, thokozani everyone. Thokozani nonke lenibukela ama-video from different countries. Thokozani to the people that are watching my videos from South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, Mozambique, Swaziland. Yeah, thokozani everyone. Makhosi. So sizokhuluma ngedloti lasemandini. How do you know ukuthi unedloti lasemandini? How do you know ukuthi unedloti lasemanzini? How do you know that you have idlozi that is water based? Thokozani everyone, ngiyabingelela emakhosini, ngiyabingelela kubantu labadzala. Okay, but let's have a few things down ukuthi ngingakhohlwa bogogo nabomkhulu. So don't mind me looking down cause yeah, there are a lot of things. Mqondo uyagijima, idloti liyakhuluma nje, into tiningi. So I'm trying not to forget ukuthi kahle kahle ngikhuluma ngani and what not. So how do you know ukuthi unedloti lasemandini? Okay, angeke ngicale. Okay, ngizocala ngalokho bangitshela ngako. Okay. Utibona ngokuthi utithola maybe ulele and then uphupha uceleni kwemandi kumbe uphakathi emandini. Wena every time nawuphupha akwendeki ukuthi akwendeki ukuthi ungadiphuphi ungekho emandini kumbe ungekho eceleni kwemandi. Akwendeki. And then uba netandla letibandzako. Uba netinyawo letibandzako, uba nemtimba lobandzako. I know ukuthi most of people bakhuluma ngani ngetinyawo, bakhuluma ngetandla, but not necessarily. Like uba nemtimba lobandzako as well na unedloti lasemandini. Take it for an example ne kuthi say maybe langa liyashisa kakhulu, and then mara wena nawutibamba uyabanza mbombo but uva kushisa leso sikhathi, uva kushisa ngalenye indlela mara wena mtimba wakho uyabanza. So labanye kubanza tandla nelona netinyawo, and then some nemtimba wonke nje uyabanza, mtimba wonke uyabanza. And then lenye into yokuthi utata ukuthi unedloti lasemandini ukuthi you have a painful neck. Inzamo yakho nje ihlala ebhlungu, especially say maybe kunema beats lebakhombe wona, nama beats lawa uyawafaka. Now wafagile maybe after 2 days or that very same day mahlombe yaqala babhlungu, inzamo uva ngathi ayikahlalanga kahle, iyaphuka, ibhlungu, like usenzwa mahlombe, like nelona nenzamo yakho like ibhlungu ayikancane. Not necessarily like my beats and what not, but tindo tiyahlukahlukana, like nansi siyahlukahlukana and emadloti ethu behave differently. And then usually now pooper there's a certain animal or creature that you see emandini. Always now pooper akwendeki ukuthi ungaboni that creature lapha emandini. Always there's a creature that you see yasemandini. It might be a snake, it might be it might be a snake, it might be a fish, but like angifuni ngingenela too deep into that. But there's always when uyathatha ukuthi uphupha ini, there's always that one animal that you see lapha emandini. And nawe usemandini, awukho ngaphandle kwemandi, nawe usemandini, nawe utithola usemandini, sometimes utithola ucoca nayo lento leyo whatever that loyibonako lapha emandini. And then another thing, okay, so let me just say it might be a crocodile, it might be a fish, it might be a snake, it might be angathi uyatata ukuthi ubonani lapha emandini bogogo nabomkhulu, so ningangibuti ngaloko cause nani niyatata ukuthi niphupha ini. So and then utophupha ama beads lamhlophe, utophupha ama beads la blue, utophupha intotoviyane, ngakhomba ngani nje. Let me show you this side with this side. Let me show you this side. Yeah, one of those beads that I'm wearing here. Ungaphupha these beads, but kuyahlukahlukana dependa ngemadloti akho. Some you can dream of my beads la bovu and black, and then utiphupha always usemandini, utiphupha always usemandini. Like angathi, I can't stress this enough, like always when phupha mandi. Loko kukuchazelani? Loko kuchazela ukuthi unedloti lasemandini, and wena now so kuchaza kuthini, like you must always try and frequently visit the water, like uhlale uconnecta nemandi, uhlala uyemandini uyophahla, sometimes uyangena kancane uyageza, sometimes or maybe now khona maybe leli damu seduzane, every day nje now ufuna tino takho tikhambele kahle, khuthala uhambe uye lapha emandini uyaphahla, uyathandaza, whatever le batokutshela ukuthi uyende kumbe whatever that your spirit may lead you, angathi bogogo nabomkhulu. So these are the things that will indicate or will show you ukuthi unedloti lasemandini, uphupha tindo tasemandini, uphupha ma beads akho lo wabonako nje asemandini, uphupha nje tindo mostly balabaning lebangasengakatiboni, like kubana that different animal that when you usually see yasemandini. Sometimes ukhuluma nayo, whatever the case may be bogogo nabomkhulu, please ningacabangi ukuthi niyaloya or anything. Sometimes nathi phupha phasi kwemandi ukhuluma nenyoka or whatnot. Madloti avela ngetindlela tabo, and whatever animal le bayichuzile ukuthi iba represente, so thini bazala, they know what they are doing. So write your bhala amaphupho akho down, write your dreams down please bogogo nabomkhulu, kuze ukuthi ukhone understand ukuthi kwenzakalani empilweni yakho, ungadideki, ungahambi utshelwa amanga and what not. Thokozani, this is Mkhulu Tablamanzi, insizwa kaMathebula Makhosi.